Well, I wonder what we should do today. That is a very big rough. I know. Let's go get. Have you guys did it? Well, I guess they didn't do it that. See someone through the window. Puppies, hide! Go in your room, your dog room. Ow! 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 Ooh. Look at the beautiful sunlight. I know. That is a big puppy. Who's going to open the door? Let's do a vote. My vote should be. Never mind. I should then. Well, good luck with that. Well, okay. I'm scared. Ugh. No, I can't do this. Too scared. It broke. Come on, guys, let's get into a hiding spot. Okay, I'll just back up. Yeah, back up. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna go hide in the bathroom right now. I'll go hide behind the toilet. I guess I'll go hide in the shower. The closed curtain. Oh, much better. I'll go hide in the baby bath. I'll go hide in the 2 baths, or actually 1 bath. There we go. I'll close it. Scared. I'll go hide over here. And the bathtub, it's more deeper, but it could still see me. I guess I will hide in Dad's room. Oh, dunk. promise, and I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want you here, please. Okay. I will go. Hi. Oh, hi. Just please come with me. Or come with me. Go. Okay. I won't hurt you. Wait. Why am I going this way? Ouch. Having a hard time, I see? Well, jump over me. Whoa. Don't be afraid. Your parents are with me. I'm standing that, but I'm all wet. So, I'm gonna be footprints. Like, everywhere. Well, wash it on me. Okay. Now jump over me. There we go. Please. Your parents and your brother went off about you guys. I guess it will be a shot. Hi. Well, jump over me, please. Okay. Woo! Please don't be afraid. I won't hurt you. I promise. Your parents, your brother, and your sister are with me. Off about you. Fine. Jump over me. Okay. Okay. Woo! Ouch. Well, you guys are coming with me. Okay, go in. It's not a jail cell. It looks like one. Get in! Okay, we will get in. Well, I'll go in first. Well, I'm in. Well, I'm going in next. I'm going in next too. Oh, so sorry. Me too, I'm going in next. And me too. It's a jail cell. No. Have fun in there. Ha. Have fun in there. And the two puppies are still there. And they're not going to be taken never going to be taken. What's this? I don't know. Open it. Ugh. Wait. This is the phone. What's this thing? It's a security camera, guys. Oh no, I bet she's watching us. Guys, I'm just gonna bring it up. Oh my gosh, we can do something like call. So you can call or text. Oh, cause this is so long. At least I can play like games. Guys, I'm gonna play a couple games. You've been there like for 1 hour. Can I please go on it? Okay, relax. You actually been on there for 7 hours. Yeah, so 7 hours later. Ouch. Yes, finally. I wasn't even done on my game. You essentially been on like 8 hours. 17 hours. So can I at least have a turn? Mom. I guess you're right. 9 hours later. Oh yeah. Can I have a turn now? It's been like 9 hours. Okay. Actually, no. I want to keep playing. Get your own computer. So rude. This is a Rudy Fruity. 10 hours later. Can I please go in there? It's been like 10 hours. Oh, sure. Yes. 11 hours later. I'm bored now. Can we bring this home and can I keep it? Because I don't have a computer. Sure, honey, you can have it. Yes. Mine. Computer. Going to open my computer and go on it. I know I'm still 7. I know I'm still 7, but I'm allowed to have a computer like my sister's. I do. Nope. Fix that. Well, gross. On my computer, I don't want any more to get on me. Probably they're on my computer anyways. Yo. Guys, it's bedtime. Come on, let's go to bed. And this thing. Dun dun dun. Oh no, the power went out. And the thing's gone. We can escape. Yeah, we can't escape now because it's invisible wall. So and the power's back on again. Ooh, and it's bedtime. Anyways, oh my god, the power just went out again and it's bad.